In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view who has access to your account in Hostinger. This is a very quick and useful thing to know, especially if you've ever shared access with a team member, a developer, or anyone helping you manage your hosting account. Checking this section can help you stay organized and make sure you always know exactly who currently has access. To begin, log into your Hostinger account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the account menu. After the menu appears, look for the option called Account Sharing and click on it. This will take you to the section where Hostinger lets you manage shared access to your account. If you've never been here before, this is the area where you can review how access is being handled. Once you're on the account sharing page, find the tab labeled Give Access and click on it. Even though the name suggests adding access, this tab also shows you the current users who already have permission to access your account. So this is the exact place you need to check. Below that, you'll see a section called Users that have access to your account. This is where Hostinger lists the people who currently have shared access. You can review the names shown there to confirm who has permission to enter and work inside the account. And that's it. That's how to view who has access to your Hostinger account. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to check this section from time to time, especially after working with outside help or making changes to your website setup. Regularly reviewing account access can help you keep your account secure and avoid confusion later. So again, just click your profile icon in the top right corner, open Account Sharing, select the Give Access tab, and then look for the users that have access to your account section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.